In the next 10 minutes, you're going to learn how to create an Eisenhower Matrix, which is the proven system that top CEOs and military leaders use to instantly cut through the chaos and know what to work on. This is the Eisenhower Matrix, your secret weapon to productivity. It helps you separate what actually matters from the noise. Let's break it down. There are 4 quadrants that you will group your tasks and activities into. Do first, which is grouped by urgent and important. Schedule it, which is not urgent but important. Delegate it, which is urgent but not important, and delete it, which is not urgent and not important. Now that you know how it works, let's take a look at it in ClickUp. And with ClickUp, you can actually just Google ClickUp and Eisenhower Matrix. It's going to take you to their white page blog that lists out what are the best practices, what they've defined as Eisenhower Matrix, what are the 4 quadrants, how to set it up. And so this is a great how-to guide for those of you that are new to the Eisenhower Matrix to give that a read. But we're going to go into ClickUp right now, and you can see this is the template that I've selected. I'm going to show you how to create a new template again. So I'm going to go on our left side over here under our YouTube folder, and I'm going to select from template. And same concept here. I want to make sure that we have all of our template types selected, and we want to click on the ClickUp templates, and we're going to type in Eisenhower. And here is the Eisenhower template that we can use. So we're going to do quick use. And so once again, it's actually pretty cool. For those of you that are familiar with Miro and other tools that have whiteboarding concept, something that's really nice about ClickUp is they have this full whiteboard concept that you could just move around. You can add additional post-its. So I will say hello world to this, and you can literally just move in and drop it around. So very cool. Now here's where it gets really interesting. You can actually convert these stickies, these notes that you've done, into tasks. And so unlike Notion, where it had the whiteboard above and the task list below, ClickUp is a little bit different, that you have to right click and then hit task here. And it's going to ask you, where do you want to send it to? So I'm going to send it to our ClickUp folder, and we're going to hit convert to task. And so what you can see now, it just took that item and made it a task. Oops. And it's in the idea phase as an example right now. And so when I clicked on it, it actually opens it up right here in the project. And here's all the information for that task. So it does live within your respective project or folder. You can continue to move it around here on the dashboard, but when you do that, it doesn't necessarily update if it's important or not important. So that being said, I think ClickUp has a lot of amazing functionality. Same thing with AI that is directly embedded in here. So you can ask it any type of AI related questions. You can even ask it, what I've noticed now is, what do I need to focus on? And it will tell you what the priority should be. So that is ClickUp.